Hello there everybody, today I'm going to be exposing another guy whose name is Num Jacob. You probably may have known him for appearing in RV Gaming's YouTube video, the new one. This is the man right here. This is Num Jacob. Right here. That's the guy. Yes. You can follow him on Facebook. Yep. Now for the man that we need to know, RV Gaming. Now, RV Gaming. Who is this man? Well, he is. Yep, that's the guy. This is RV Gaming. Well, that is it. This is all the people that I've now exposed. Two guys in one video. It's like two birds, one stone. KSI. Oh, no way. Be sure to follow me on Facebook. Yeah, follow me. Right here. Follow me. Yeah. Follow me on Facebook. Bye-bye.